Hello YouTube. In this video we're going to look at playing the second position blues scale, sometimes called the major blues scale, as an extension of the first position in A minor. So we move up to the C note, and that's on the 8th fret, here's the scale. Before we learn the blues scale, we'll learn the pentatonic scale, and we'll look at how we can add a note to that to make it into the blues scale. Okay, so I'm going to start on the 6th string on my 2nd finger, 2-4, 5th string 1-4, 4th string 1-4, 3rd string 1-3, 2nd string 2-4, 1st string 2-4, backwards 4-2, 4-2, 3-1, 4-1, 4-1, 4-2. Now to change that into a blues scale, we're going to add a note. We're going to change to our 1st finger on the 8th fret and play 1, 3, and here's the blues note, 4. Change back in position, 1, 4, 1, 4, 1, 2, there's our blues note again, 3. Change forward position, 1, 3, 1, 3. Let's go backwards, 3, 1, 3, 1. Move back a position, 3, 2, 1, 4, 1, 4, 1. Forward a position, 4, 3, 1. Let's look at bends and slides. Starting on the 6th string, 8th fret, we can go 1, 3, and slide up a tone, 2 frets, or 1, 3, bend. On the 5th string, 1, 4, slide up 2, or 1, 4, bend. The 4th string, 1, 4, slide up 2, or 1, 4, bend. On the 3rd string, we've got 1, 3. This time we're going to do a big slide up a minor 3rd, that's 3 semitones. That's to the next note in the pentatonic scale. 1, 3, big bend. If we change up a position, 1, 3, slide up a minor 3rd. 1, 3, big bend. Adjacent to that, 1, 3, slide up a whole tone, or 2 semitones, 1, 3, bend. So you can start making phrases using these notes. Okay, we're going to now look at important notes within the scale to do with the backing chords A7, D7 and E7, because that will be our blues backing. So taking the A7 chord, we're going to look for the root note, A. So playing up the scale, 1, 4, slide, that's A, or 1, 4, bend. Carrying on up the scale, 1st finger, 4th string, that's A. Keeping going, 1, 3, that's A there. Let's look for our D root notes. 1, 3, that's D. Carrying on up the scale, 4th string, 1, 4, slide, or 1, 4, that's D. D there on the 3rd string, 1, 3, that's also D. Now we're going to look for our E notes. Starting the scale, 1, 3, slide 2, or bend, that's E. That's E as well, 1st finger, 5th string. That's E, 3rd finger on the 3rd string. 1, 3, slide up, or bend, that's also E. Now we'll look for our sweet notes in the A7 chord. We're going to look for C sharp in the scale. 1, 3. If you go back a note, 2. There's our first one. On the 4th string, 1, 4, slide 1. That's also C sharp. Going up the scale, 1, 3, back a fret, 2. There's some C sharps. Let's look for the 3rd of D7, which is F sharp. Let's start off 1, 3, 4, 1, 4. If you go back a fret to 3, that's F sharp. Keep going up the scale. 1, 3. If you slide up 2, or bend, that's also F sharp. Keep going up the scale. This finger, if you drop it back 1 to the 7th fret, that's F sharp. Let's look for some G sharps of the E7 chord. So let's start the scale. 1, 3, 4, 1, 4. Yeah, 1, 4. Slide. 1 fret, and you've got it. Keep going. On the 2nd string. 1, 3. 2nd finger. So what you can try now is mixing in some sweet notes with your phrases. And some bends. Okay, for part 2 of the lesson we're going to look at the turnaround in E major, C sharp minor. For part 2 of the lesson just follow the link on the right, so I'll see you there. Okay, bye.